To enable and use one-time password for your mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, and then tap mobile hotspot and tethering, tap mobile hotspot, scroll down the screen, tap one-time password. Now tap the on-off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on and to generate a new one-time password. Now move to another device. Go to the setting menu. Tap connection. Tap Wi-Fi. Tap the network name of the mobile hotspot shared by Galaxy S24 Ultra. And then enter the one-time password. Tap connect. You can see that this phone is now connected to the Galaxy S24 Ultra hotspot. Back to your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you turn off mobile hotspot and turn it on again, the one-time password will be reset. As you can see, the other device that is connected with the previous one-time password cannot be reconnected to your mobile hotspot. Given to the function, you can use one-time password to allow others to use your mobile hotspot temporarily, because this password will be reset next time you turn on your mobile hotspot. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.